The mystery of the deepest hole ever dug by humans. Imagine drilling deeper than Mount Everest is tall. More than 12 kilometers beneath the frozen landscape of northern Russia lies the deepest hole ever created by human hands. It wasn't built to search for gold, oil, or diamonds. Instead, it was created to answer one of humanity's greatest scientific questions: what lies beneath the Earth's surface? This incredible project became known as the Kola Superdeep Borehole. Even today, decades after drilling stopped, it remains the deepest artificial hole ever made. The story began in 1970 during the Cold War. Soviet scientists wanted to explore the Earth's crust like never before. Their goal was to collect rock samples and learn how our planet was formed. They selected a remote location on the Kola Peninsula because the Earth's crust there was especially stable and suitable for deep scientific drilling. At first, everything went according to plan. Year after year, the drilling machines pushed deeper into the Earth. Every meter brought new discoveries and valuable scientific information. As the drill descended farther underground, the environment became increasingly hostile. Temperatures rose dramatically. The pressure became enormous. Engineers had to design stronger equipment just to keep the project moving. Eventually, the borehole reached an astonishing depth of 12,262 meters, or more than 12 kilometers below the surface. No human had ever drilled this deep before. Scientists expected to find temperatures of around 100 degrees Celsius. Instead, they encountered temperatures close to 180 degrees Celsius. The extreme heat softened the surrounding rock, making further drilling almost impossible. The equipment could no longer operate safely under such intense conditions. Despite these challenges, the project produced remarkable discoveries. Scientists found ancient rocks that were nearly 3 billion years old. These samples helped researchers understand the early history of our planet. One of the biggest surprises was the discovery of water trapped deep inside the Earth's crust. For many scientists, this was completely unexpected. The water was not flowing from the surface. Instead, it had been locked within the rocks for millions of years through geological processes. The project also revealed tiny microscopic fossils buried deep underground. These ancient organisms showed that life had existed far earlier than many people had imagined. As drilling continued, costs increased and technical problems became more difficult to solve. The extreme temperatures damaged equipment repeatedly. After the collapse of the Soviet Union, financial support declined, making it impossible to continue such an expensive scientific project. Finally, in the early 1990s, the drilling stopped. The deepest hole ever created by humanity was sealed, and the equipment was left behind. Over time, strange stories began to spread across the internet. Some people claimed that scientists heard mysterious screams coming from the hole. Others said they had discovered something supernatural beneath the Earth. However, there is no credible scientific evidence supporting these stories. Researchers who worked on the project have explained that these rumors are myths that spread long after the drilling ended. The real story is already fascinating. The Kola Superdeep Borehole demonstrated just how little we know about the planet beneath our feet. Even after drilling more than 12 kilometers, humans had only penetrated a tiny fraction of the Earth's crust. If the Earth were the size of an apple, the deepest hole humans have ever drilled would barely scratch its skin. That simple comparison reminds us how much of our own world remains unexplored. Every scientific discovery made during the project helped improve our understanding of geology, the Earth's structure, underground temperatures, and the history of our planet. Although the drilling stopped decades ago, the questions it raised continue to inspire scientists around the world. Perhaps one day, with more advanced technology, humans will once again attempt to drill even deeper into the Earth. Until then, the Kola Superdeep Borehole remains one of humanity's greatest scientific achievements, a reminder that some of the greatest mysteries are not hidden among the stars, but beneath our own feet. If you enjoyed this journey into one of Earth's greatest mysteries, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more fascinating documentaries, and join us as we continue exploring the unknown. Thank you for watching.